Hey, this is Byron, and I want to talk about the stock market. Of course, I'm the stock master. Um, I'm gonna get right to the point. A lot of these companies, the Master Indicator, all kind of different companies that come on these videos, they are trying to sell you convenience. Like the stock market would automatically invest your money on a regular basis and buy certain stocks for you, sell certain stocks for you. This world, like everything is based off convenience, but when it comes to the stock market, that might not be a good thing. I'm giving my professional opinion because I see like the Master Indicator get on here. That's a certain video that comes on here, and everybody said if you buy stocks in the morning, you ain't got to worry about the frustration of the stock market during the day. It's more convenient for you. All I hear is convenient, convenient, convenient. Convenience don't make you money. That's all it comes down to. That's all I'm trying to say. They trying to say this system, this AI system and things like that, trading overnight because it's not that many people doing it overnight because everybody's doing it during the day. So you won't get frustrated. Skip the frustration. It's about making money. That's all I'm saying. That's why I'm the only person willing to give you a stock, a ticker symbol, a stock. And I say the day is going to go up, and 90% of the time it goes up. No other place is going to do that. They're trying to sell you on convenience and their system, and it'll be convenient for you if you get in their system. You don't have to sit in front of the TV or the computer and look how your stock is going up and down and track it all day. They are right about that. It is more convenient, but it don't make you money. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to help out the world here. You gotta don't listen to everybody trying to sell you this stuff, and then they'll put their friends and family and actors on there. Where I made money with this system, and that's a great system. They put their hands on the hip. That's a great system, and you don't know if they're telling the truth. I'm serious. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe all this noise. I'm telling you, there's so many videos that come on the computer that say, "Come to my system. It will make this much money for you. You got a good chance of making this much money." They're not guaranteeing anything, so don't believe it. And I don't have a system. Well, I do have a system, but I don't tell my system. I just study the stock market. I study the trends. I'm a short-term investor, and that's based off of how do I say it? Technical analysis. I'm a technical analysis freak. I am, and I study it, and I study it, and I studied it. That's why 19 out of 20 of my picks have been right. So please subscribe to my video. I'm telling you, if you want to make money, come through me. Don't listen to any of this noise and these fancy videos with all this people coming on here saying I made this much money and all this stuff. Don't believe that. They're trying to get you to believe convenience. Don't believe it. I'm telling you. Go by people that is willing to stick their neck out to give you a stock and tell you what day is going to go up. Now, I'm not going to be right all the time. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at the computer now. This last stock that I guaranteed was going to go up, this stock is going up today. But the day I said it was going to go up, which was yesterday, it went down a little bit. So I'm not perfect because nobody knows. I don't care how they try to sell you. Don't believe it. Nobody knows when a stock is going to go up and down. I don't care if you're the richest person in the world. I don't care if you're the president of the United States. Nobody knows. All we can guess, and we can guess on trends. That's all we can do is guess on trends. I'm a stay-at-home day trader, and all I do is study the stock market. Now, I am 90%, but it's a possibility I could get it wrong too. So don't believe all this noise and this fancy thing. Come over to my system, and you probably can make some money. You don't have to sit in front of the computer all day. We'll make the stock picks for you. We'll buy stocks for you. We'll sell stocks for you. But will you make money? That's all it comes down to. Will you make money? That's what you got to ask yourself. And on that note right there, if you're in the stock market, or if you're thinking about getting in the stock market, ask yourself, are you making money right now in the stock market? I'm talking about if you're already in it. If you're not making money in the stock market, come my way. Send me some comments so we can talk to each other, so I can give you a stock pick so you can make money. Okay. There's a video that come on. Trade overnight. You don't have to go through the frustration of the stock market during the day. What does that mean? Seriously, what does that mean? trade overnight. How is that going to put money in your pocket? There's less traders overnight, and there's less traders in the early morning too. But how is that putting money in your pocket? It almost makes me laugh. I'm serious. I've been doing the stock market for 25 years, and I know when somebody's trying to sell you a phony hope. A phony hope. Don't believe it. I'm telling you. You will lose money no matter where you go unless you get a good stock pick that day if you're a short-term investor. Now, if you're a long-term investor, long-term investing is based off of fundamental analysis. That's a different way to look at the stock market. That's when you keep it for years. And that's effective too if you know what you're doing fundamentally. Now, short-term or long-term. If you're just trying to get in the stock market as a beginner stock person, excuse me, I'm kind of sick a little bit. As a beginner stock person, I really recommend index fund. Index fund is the safest way to go. And the reason being is because you have, I'm going to give an example. You have like 30 pins sitting in front of you, 30 of them. If one pin fall, you don't lose your money. You got 29 other pins just standing up. So it's an accumulation of stocks. If one fall, you still can make money. See what I'm saying? It's a bunch of stocks all together. You're not just investing in one stock. You're investing in like 30 or 40 stocks or however many. So index fund is the safest way to go if you want to be safe. If you're a beginning stock person, I really think that's the way to go. That's my personal opinion. Index fund, or just pretty much if you're going to get one stock, get a stock that's a really big company stock. That's kind of safe too, to be honest with you. I like being honest with you guys. And like I said, that little red button, please subscribe to my video because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I'm on my way. I'm almost like at 500. So I'm doing pretty good. A lot of people believe in me because I'm making a lot of money for, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 17 different families. I'm making a lot of money. Well, I'm making a lot of money for some of the families, but I'm making some money for the other families. No family that use my wisdom to invest in stock is losing money. And I'm a black man, look at me, my color, in a white man's field, the stock market, and I'm doing pretty good. I've been doing it for 25 years. And another thing, I want to thank you guys for all the support and everybody looking at my video. I'm really fired up, and I'm gonna have another stock pick for you tonight or tomorrow. But I am gonna give that other stock pick. I'm gonna stick my neck out, but you invest at your own risk. But I'm gonna have that stock pick for you, and nobody knows. I almost guarantee that stock is going to go up on the day I say. Remember, I said that. Yeah, I want to talk a little bit about long term. Now, I'm a short term investor. I am a professional day trader. To be a professional day trader, you had to have 25,000 or up in your online brokerage account. So I am a professional day trader, but I do short term. I do not do long term. I can do long term, but I don't do it. Long term is, you got to look at different things. The financial analysis part of a stock, the leadership part of a stock, the brand recognition part of a stock. You look at long term different than short term. Short term is based on technical analysis. It's a difference. I hesitated because these long words, I'm not a good speaker. I'm doing the best I can. Okay, but index fund is the way to go. And let me update you on the stock market right now. See, I got it right now. I do it all day long. Let's take a look at the stock market. The Dow Jones is down 124 points. Okay, the NASDAQ is up 27 points. And the S&P 500 is up 3.17. Okay, and please leave comments if you got any questions. Please leave comments. And don't forget to subscribe, that little red box in the corner. I gravely would appreciate it if you do that for me. Okay, this is what's happening right now on February 26, 2025. The time is 1 p.m. We got like an hour and 15 minutes in the stock market. So I like taking people inside the stock market, let them know on a day-to-day basis exactly what's going on. Okay, this is what the stock market is offering. And this is what I mean by convenience. 1 second here. The stock market is offering, come to me. Okay. Okay, the reason, this is, remember I said the Dow Jones down 135 points? And this is the reason why right here. This is the reason why the stock market is down. They got an explanation always written down why the stock market is up or down. They have it written down so they could read it to you. Okay. There has been an abandonment, I don't know what that means, in selling pressure that dropped each of the indices into a negative territory. Overall, they are now a little changed from yesterday's close. The latter is more even-keeled disposition given the losses seen over the last 4 sessions, some of which were material for the number of stocks and the specter of Nvidia. Nvidia is a strong stock. It always controls the stock market to a certain point. Okay, I want to show you, let's see what sectors are doing good. And I looked at this and it was kind of interesting. And this is important before you get a stock. I looked at the sectors. The number 1 sector is utilities, financials, and technology for the year. Utilities is up 28%. Financials is up 28%. And technology is up 22%. That's for the year. But I look at, since I'm a short-term investor, I look at the last 5 days. The last 5 days, the number 1 is healthcare, up 2%. The Dow Jones been going down a lot. I'm trying to give you guys an understanding of the stock market. When the Dow Jones and NASDAQ go down a lot, it takes almost everything with them. All the sectors, all the stocks, it almost takes everything. Unless you get good news on a certain stock, and that stock still will go up. Just trying to give you an understanding of the stock market. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to probably have a hot stock for you tonight, and I'm almost going to guarantee that stock is going to go up. So thank you for all the support. Thank you guys for all the views. Please like and share my videos, and please subscribe, that little red box in the corner. I'm not going to talk your ear off. Thank you guys. Thank you for giving me a chance. I'm 60 years old. I'm retired, but I am a stock master. I usually get it right. I don't get it right all the time, but in most cases, you can make money off of me. With that note, I'm going to see you guys probably in a couple of days, okay? Bye-bye.